My name's Andrew Jones.
My name is Catherine Williams and I live in Nelson, BC.
We had our house energy evaluated based on what I think are like relatively high, especially winter heating costs. Our home's all heated by electric, that is heating hot water, which is radiant floor heating. So especially during some of those winter months, for example, our last 2 months it's over $1,000, the city bill. So I was pretty motivated, to see if there's some ways we could do to cut down heating costs.
I was interested in knowing how our home would be rated, given that we had our house built 11 years ago. So I Googled MyHEAT and found the house, and I was actually pretty disappointed to see that our house rated about average for houses our age, and actually was comparable to the old heritage house that we lived in. The map was easy to read, it was clear, the color coding, the legend was there.
We had this blower test, the house is put under negative pressure, and actually feel like the huge amount of air that is actually escaping from the house. I was more of the belief that it was just primarily the weather stripping, and then I actually thought most of the heat loss was going through the windows. I didn't imagine that the plugs had such an impact, that where beams go through have such an impact. That's the equivalent of a 10 by 10 window being wide open all day. One, to look at heat pump. There are heat pumps that can actually heat hot water. He encouraged us to look into that as well. After we seal all the cracks, see where we're sitting as far as like our bills after that, and then explore the cost of a heat pump or maybe something that actually then secondary maybe heats the hot water.
I'm Carmen Proctor and I manage an energy retrofits program for the City of Nelson. We're always looking at ways to connect with our customers and to really help them know that these programs are available, that they can sign up for energy evaluations. Once they ended up signing up with our program because of the map, they learned a lot in their energy evaluation and were able to identify exactly what they needed to do, and they're well on their way to saving money.